Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background out of your video in CapCut and added a new background to the video. So first, you can start by adding the video that you want to edit into CapCut like this. And let's remove the background first. So click on the video and just swipe until you find the remove background options. So you can use the custom removal or just use the auto removal to make it quick. Okay, wait until the background is removed. Click on a check icon. As you guys can see here, the result is not always smooth, but I'm going to just go with it. And after that, if you want to start add a new background, you can go to background, and there will be three options. You can use a blur background image or just a solid color background. So I'm going to just use the color one, and let's add the background. Just select the color that you want. For example, I'm going to just add the yellow background. Click on the yellow color, click on the check icon, and there you go. And that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, also click on the thanks button. Bye.